I'm about to get that checkbook. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, this is a very quick, beginner-friendly install. Why? Because the wig comes with everything. The wig is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and glueless. You don't believe me? Look, glueless, okay? There's no glue on my wig at all. Look at the fit. All I did was cut the lace off and get my hairline together. So if you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I am doing a blondie today, y'all. I'm a little nervous. But we're gonna try to get her together as best as possible. This is their new zero stress glueless wig, so it should be real easy to install this one. Hairvivi normally comes ready to wear. They do pretty much everything for you outside of cutting the lace off. You get a clean bleach pre-plucked hairline. You can get the fake scalp, so you don't gotta wear a wig cap if you don't want to. You get the zero slip elastic band. You get the comfortable nape around the back of your wig. All the words, okay? They got everything on your wig, and they don't stink, okay? They come smelling real nice. So I don't need to wash this one, but I do need to cut off my tag. If you're not happy with your wig, don't cut that tag off, okay? Because once you cut it off, it's yours. Let's go ahead and just cut that off like that. It does have one comb in the back, so I can tighten that down around my head if I need to. Let us tint the lace really quick. Today I'm going to use the Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Normally I use the Creamy Bronze. I can see the difference in the shade, but I feel like this one will be a perfect match for me. I'm just gonna pop that around the hairline like so. The only issue that I run into with Hairvivi is the hairline, the way that it sits on me. Their hairlines are kind of square. Sometimes I need to cut into my wig a bit to kind of round it out for my face. We'll see once I put this wig on though. Let's get her on. Even though it comes with a fake scalp, I still wear my wig cap because I just need all the protection I can get for my edges. The adjustable straps in the back were already off, so I didn't bother putting those back on. Bring that down. I'm about to get that checkbook. I was just about to say let me get my clips, but they didn't send me no clips. They normally send me a goodie bag, so I don't know what happened with that Hairvivi. For my ear tabs, let me see. Let me just make sure the wig is sitting down where I need her. Looking pretty good, but I will need to cut off some. Put my glasses back on so I can make sure I'm cutting where I need to cut. Get out the way. Why do I feel like I'm cutting hair? I am, golly. I heard it slicing. 1 and 2. It's a little square, but I think I can work with that. Do y'all see the lace? Let's move this down. I got a lot of forehead real estate. Nairobi mousse around my hairline for the mold, not the hold. If you want to hold, spray it down. But I just want the mold because I want this to be glueless. Ooh, ooh, where is it? Where is it? Bring some hairs down right here. I'm trying to do this without glasses. I got to cut some of these hairs in the front. They're a little too long for me. Bring some down, brush some back. 7 minutes in, I'm almost done with the actual install of the wig. I just realized they don't have a wrap. Let me just use one that I already have. Y'all wigs cost a good little penny. All the extras, the brush, the wraps, the clips, that rounds out the packaging. I'm gonna need y'all to not get lazy now. Let's go under. I don't want a hard bump. I wanna do like a blunt. Got some flyaways up there with my grease. Ain't gonna play. Lay those flyaways down. Got my Time-O. It's going on 4. I think I wanna do a side part actually. That's what I think I wanna do. I don't want a hard bump, okay? A bump like that, that's what I want. Hairvivi normally comes with a 13x6 lace frontal. I should get a good amount of parting space over here. Let me just clip it. For now, got those flyaways up there. That's one thing that I have noticed about Hairvivi. Their hair on the top is shorter. You know, just be mindful of that. That could be like filler hair, which is why it's like that. But don't quote me on it, okay? Because I don't know that for sure. Ooh, that was hot. Ooh, I didn't get that situated. Comb that out. This is taking as much time as I want to put into my wig. So before you come commenting that took too much work, just understand what I'm doing. If I wasn't on camera, this would go a lot faster. Ooh, don't burn me now. That was hot, hot, hot. Get my blow dryer, start flatten the rest of it out. Use warm and high. Let's add a little curl right here on the top, just for some movement. Not too much, just a little bit. Same thing over here. Let me go ahead and do my makeup, and then we'll come back, unwrap the wig, and see how she's sitting. Okay, Blondie. All right, let's get this band off. Ooh. Okay, I can work with it, but I need to fix my hairline. Where's my brush? I want this to come up. I don't necessarily need all these hairs down, so I'm just brushing some of them back. This is too long right here, so let me cut it. My sideburns are long today, so I'm gonna use those on my wig. Because I wear glasses, I can put it over my lace and hold that down. If you don't wear glasses, you can use some of your melt spray. I feel like it's pulling a little bit back, but that's all right. I am wearing the medium cap. Just getting my hairline together. I'm gonna tip my lace a little bit on the side using my contour stick. You use whatever works for you. Mine is currently sold out. It's the Juvia's Place Catsina foundation stick. Whatever cream contour you can find, you can use that. Just to blend that all in. Let me use my Black Radiance powder again in milk chocolate so I can put it in my parting space just to open that up a bit. Brush this down over top the lace just to make sure it's gonna be blended. Brush it back and brush the top. Don't wanna put it behind my ear. Let me see. I mean, I could. All right, look, record time, I'm done. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. This is one of the quickest installs that I've ever done for a human hair wig. I like easy, and it's about to be real hot outside, so you know, get your bob going. This wig has everything, y'all. There's no glue, no adhesive on my hairline at all. If you don't like the color, that's fine. Okay, I want to try something a little different for my blonde girls. This hair is only 160% density. So it's not super thick, but it's not super thin either. It's given a very natural density. So I do like that for this unit. And y'all know, as always, HairVivi comes with the pockets. But if you already have the checkbook, you don't gotta worry about nothing. But I do have a $30 off coupon code that you can use when? All the time. Thank you. But y'all tell me down below, was this install easy enough for you? Shout out one more time to HairVivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.